Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix your Manscaped razor or trimmer if it's not turning on. Many users face this issue and it's often easier to solve than you might think. First, check if your device has enough charge. Plug it into the charging dock or cable and wait a couple of hours. Make sure the LEDs indicate that it's actually charging. If the lights are blinking, that means the device is still charging. And once all lights stay solid, it's fully charged. Next, make sure the travel lock isn't activated. On the lawnmower 4.0, for example, pressing the power button 3 times quickly will disengage the travel lock. Once it's off, try turning the device on again. If the razor still doesn't turn on, inspect the blades and motor area. Remove the blades and check for hair clogs or debris that might be jamming the motor. Clean it thoroughly, then try switching the blades back on. Also, check for a faulty charging dock, cable, or wall socket. Try different outlets and cables to confirm the device is receiving power. Never attempt to charge a wet device. Let it dry completely first. If none of these steps work, the battery or internal motor might be faulty. In this case, it's best to contact Manscaped support or claim a warranty replacement rather than trying to repair it yourself, as doing so may void the warranty. Finally, for future prevention, clean your device regularly, lubricate blades after cleaning, avoid submerging it in water, and always check the travel lock before blaming other issues. By following these simple steps, most Manscaped devices that won't turn on can be fixed quickly and safely, giving you a smooth grooming experience again.